This is day 4 of climbing hills in England. We are in Nightingale Lane and you can see it behind me. Nice sunny day. A bit of issue with the camera, a different perspective I'm gonna give you today. I try to stick the phone somewhere. 250 meters, pretty short, 10.5% average, but peaks of 19% at the end. Pretty short, so I'm gonna do it 5 times. Here we are. This is the steepest bit. I hope you enjoyed these 5 reps. My legs didn't, to be fair. Really hard effort, and now it's really hot as well. Keep commenting and let me know what hills. Bit by bit I'm gonna do them all. Until next climb, ride on.